Prior to mitosis, thin strands of DNA in the cell nucleus thicken into chromosomes, which then duplicate themselves. In prophase, the centrals divide and, with asters, move apart. The nuclear membrane begins to disintegrate. Later in prophase, the centrals and asters are on opposite poles. The nucleolus and nuclear membrane have almost disappeared. The double chromosomes, their centromes attached to the spindle fibers, line up at midcell and metaphase. Earlier in anaphase, the centromes split. Half the chromosomes move to one pole, half to the other. Later in anaphase, the chromosomes have almost reached their respective poles. The cell membrane begins to pinch to the center. The cell membrane completes constriction in telophase. Nuclear membranes form around the separated chromosomes. At this stage, mitosis is complete. There are two cells in the same structures and the same number of chromosomes as the parent cell. DNA strands thicken into chromosomes. Homologous chromosome pairs start to form bivalents. The centroids divide and move to opposite poles of the cell. The bivalents duplicate to form tetrads, or four chromatid groups. The nuclear membrane disintegrates. In metaphase 1, the tetrads attach to the spindle fibers at their centromeres. In early anaphase 1, the tetrads separate and the paired chromatids move along the spindle to their respective centroids. In late anaphase 1, the chromatids have almost reached the spindle poles. In telophase 1, nuclear membranes enclose the separated chromatids. The first meiotic division ends. There are two new cells, each with the same number of chromatids as the parent cell. Prophase 2 begins the second meiotic division. Homologous chromatids do not duplicate but merely separate. In metaphase 2, the chromatids line up at mid-cell. The centrals and asters are at the poles a spindle has formed. In anaphase 2, the now separated chromatids approach their respective poles. Telophase 2 has completed. There are four new cells, each with half the number of chromosomes of parent cells.